Hi, who are you?
Evan.
How old are you?
5.
5, and he's going to show us how easy it is to use our basic H2 with our Scour Off to clean that yucky, greasy grime off of the fridge door. He and I just practiced on the other side to show you how clean he can really get it. And easy on the handles to the fridge. So Evan, you want to give us a demo? Okay, tell us what you're doing. He's going to spray the degreaser, which is a 1.5 teaspoon of our basic H2 mixed with 16 fluid ounces of water. And he's taking a little bit of the Scour Off. Good job, you're showing me. And he's going to put it right up there on the fridge door handle. That's perfect, dude.
Good job.
Perfect, perfect. And he used a lot more than you need. In fact, we're going to take a little bit off of there.
Okay, grab your cloth.
The problem with Shaklee is that less is better, so you have to really retrain using less. Now he's sprayed his cloth down real good, and he's going to take that damp cloth and just wipe it.
You are strong, bud.
Now get the rest of the Scour off of there, dude. And then look at how clean the grease came out of the crevices and the greasy finger marks.
Great job, Evan.
And your 5-year-old can be doing realistic chores to contribute to the house and keeping it clean with non-toxic products. He didn't inhale anything toxic and had nothing left on his hands that is toxic for the residue. So it's all organic corn and coconut oil surfactants, and you'll keep a clean home.